Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Respected families of Shohadas, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. It is indeed a great honor to be among the distinguished gatherings of Shohada families and war veterans. I am indebted to all of you for making Mujahideen-e-Aflaq memorable, as Yawm-e-Fazaiya reconnects us to the genesis of our nation's freedom, achieved on the strength of supreme sacrifices rendered by our ancestors. Qaid-e-Azam envisioned a strong air force, second to none, and our founding fathers laid the foundation of the elite organization under these guiding principles. Our glorious traditions and legacy are not shaped spontaneously. These are indeed reflection of the hard work of our predecessors over the years. We are proud that Pakistan Air Force amply manifested its capacity, endurance, and superiority in 1948, 1965, and 1971 wars, as well as 2-decade-long operations during War on Terror. This year, the aggressor once again challenged our sovereignty and peace of the region, oblivious of our firm resolve, spirit of our sacrifice, and unparalleled resilience. Alhamdulillah, with a measured and well-calibrated response during Operation Swift Retort, we re-established our deterrence against a numerically greater enemy, a success that stunned the entire world. Committed to the core principles of operational preparedness and singularity of purpose, Pakistan Air Force is focused on the mission and proved that airspace is our exclusive domain, inshallah. Let me make it clear that we acted very responsibly during this crisis. PF exercised restraint. However, if we are challenged again, we may not. Today, the legacy of these heroes is carried on by a new generation of dedicated fighter pilots that you just saw. Wing Commander Nawan, Group Captain Fahim, and Squadron Leader Hassan. Along with them were numerous unsung heroes of Pakistan Air Force who made the entire nation proud on 27th February earlier this year. These young air warriors executed their tasks with pinpoint precision. All other elements of Pakistan Air Force supported them in synergy. Pilots, engineers, fighter controllers, technicians, logisticians, administrators, civilians, and security staff through a prompt response across the length and the breadth of our country. For the families of PF personnel, I cannot but admire the moment when they sent their loved ones off and endured their absence. Today, the security challenges faced by the country are grave, but greater still is our resolve and our capability to face the enemy. Our 2 decades-long and successful war against terrorism attributes due credit to our national stamina, unity, and resilience. We believe in peaceful coexistence with our all neighbors and support Afghan-led and Afghan-owned peace process focusing on economic stability and nation building. However, we still have a lurking, clear and a present danger on our eastern border as we stand by our Kashmiri brothers in their struggle for self-determination. In this wake, we also acknowledge the nations who view the current situation rationally and urge others for supporting indigenous freedom movement of Kashmiri people as per United Nations Charter to bring an end to the human atrocities in the Indian occupied Kashmir. For Pakistan Air Force, I assure you that we will maintain peace with honor and ensure sovereignty of Pakistan airspace at all costs, with all instruments of air power, including the battle-tested, battle-hardened J-17 pride of the nation. On this occasion, I would like to make a special mention of the positive role played by Pakistani media during Operation Swift Retort. I felicitate the entire media fraternity of Pakistan for their role in safeguarding our national interests. I congratulate Group Captain Hussaini and Mr. Alamgir on Lifetime Achievement Awards. And as I have already promised to Mr. Alamgir, that we will bear the expenses of his medical facilities, inshallah, in the times to come. I felicitate the brave Pakistan Air Force officers decorated with operational awards. I appreciate the artists, the anchor persons for adding color, and all the organizers for a well-orchestrated event. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide our endeavors, give us strength to be the enduring guardians of Pakistan free blue skies. I thank you all. Pakistan Air Force Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.